presenting the Nissan 2018 Frontier SV V6. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include steel cloth seat trim, Z66, activation disclaimer, L92, floor mats, S65, BED rail caps, A93, BED liner trailer hitch package included, bed liner trailer hitch, PIO, magnetic black, rear-wheel drive, power steering and ABS. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.